Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Nissan Murano SL. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior, sunroof, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, memory seats, driver seat controls, driver door controls. We have heated mirrors, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 27,137. We have a push button ignition, steering wheel controls, radio, navigation, backup camera, shifter, and center console. And if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmannimports.com.